2006, I started designing and building parts in my parents' garage. We very quickly ran out of space and decided to open up our first shop in 2012 on my grandparents' farm right down the road. Only 2 years after opening that 3,600 square foot facility, once again we were out of space. We added another 6,000 square foot to the back of that shop, and now in 2019, we find ourselves in the exact same position, completely out of space with the growing demand of our Hauk off-road parts and accessories. We decided that the only way to keep up with that demand is to open up a brand new manufacturing facility a few minutes down the road in Waynesboro, Pennsylvania. So now that we got the keys to our brand new facility, it's time to fill it with brand new high-tech equipment to help streamline the manufacturing process. We got the crew from Alpha Laser here today installing one of their brand new fiber laser cutting systems. This piece of equipment can cut incredible details with amazing precision. It's going to take a ton of time off of our production schedule.
My name is Rick O'Brien. I'm a product specialist with Alpha Laser. Alpha Laser is a Canadian manufacturer of fiber laser cutting systems. We manufacture and distribute all of our own products as well as service them. I'm in Waynesboro, Pennsylvania today at Hauk Design's brand new facility, and we're setting up their new Fiber SL Alpha Laser cutting system. What makes Alpha Laser stand out from the rest of our competition is our after-sales support. We offer lifetime technical support included with every piece of equipment we sell. This machine is going to be a game changer for Hauk Designs. They're going from having to wait for their parts to be outsourced at other laser cutting houses to having them done in-house and getting them in their hands within minutes. Hauk Designs is known for their Jeep armor, bumpers, rock guards, fenders. Now they're going to be able to manufacture these components in-house 10 times faster. All of us here at Alpha Laser are really excited to see what Kenny and his crew at Hauk Designs can do with their new Alpha Laser cutting system.
So when we moved into our brand new facility, all the walls were stark white. In order to make it feel more like home, my buddy Tommy, aka Enamel Hands, offered to come in and throw some new artwork on the walls to make it feel more like home.
My name is Tommy Rada, and in the art world I am known as Enamel Hands. I specialize in aerosol art, started graffiti in '98. I've been doing that for a long time. As of recently, I've been doing a lot of large-scale murals, canvas works, so that's kind of one of the things I'm doing here. Me and Kenny went on the Epic Willie's adventure, drove some Jeeps from Canada to Mexico, talked about art. He was really digging my stuff. He's like, dude, you gotta come out here, paint the walls. It's kind of been hard to line it up, but I finally got a chance to get out here. Super excited to do some art for him. So today we're gonna go to the new Hauk manufacturing plant in Waynesboro. I'm gonna do some murals. There's a bunch of wall space out there, so I'm really itching to get going on that and fill that up and kind of flex my skills, so I'm pretty pumped.
I'm Jake, I'm the lead fabricator here at Hauk Designs. My main role here is to oversee the manufacturing of our complete line of Hauk off-road parts. So as things got busier here in the shop with our E85 and our 55 project on at the same time, Dave had to step out and take over one build, so I stepped in and took over the E85 build. I made sure all of our armor was fitted right. I used our Hauk tubing bender to build a 2x3 box tubing cross member. It fits perfect and it's gonna hold up to what we're gonna put to it. So orders are coming in like crazy, and now that we have our new facility in Waynesboro and our Alpha Laser, we're building our parts faster and better than ever before.
This brand new 18,000 square foot facility is gonna give us all the room we need to R&D and design new parts and accessories and cut them on our brand new Alpha Laser cutting system.